Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is time for a haul. I pause at that word because what used to be a haul back in the day is not what a haul is today. So it's kind of funny to just call it a haul. But it is a haul. So I wanted to show you some goodies I got. And yeah, it'll be very quick. I don't know if you guys remember back in the day when I would have monster hauls, but eventually you get to a point where you own pretty much everything you need, or I don't know, you just don't have a purpose for them. But, you know, and I do not want to get into debates about overconsumption either, so we're going to skip that. But let's talk about what I have here. So, I do have the set of the Ohuhu Waikiki acrylic markers. Yes, I have a lot of Ohuhu acrylic markers, and I have more goodies from Ohuhu coming, including an exclusive set. I don't know if you've seen the Coco Wyo and Ohuhu collaboration. Well, there's a Jade Summer one too, and it's headed my way, so you're going to definitely want to keep an eye on my channel, and I will have the Coco Wyo one very soon as well. But they sent me some more acrylic markers to paint with. I need to do like a massive swatch fest for all of these acrylic markers because I have like 8 sets. So I'm going to do it on a live stream fairly soonish. And you're going to want to keep an eye out for that because I will be giving away sets, you know, because I'm reviewing them and all that, but I've got to give them away. I don't need, at this point, I think I have over 600 acrylic markers. I don't need that many. So, I am excited to test these out. Thank you, Ohuhu. Okay, for stuff I bought for myself. I love these cozy coloring books, so I have a ton on pre-order right now, especially from the Cute and Comfy line from Coco Wyo. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, Cute and Comfy coloring book cafe. Maybe I'll buy some books that look similar, but I think someone's already done that. Now, this one is a newer one. So it actually has the smoother paper, not the really crappy paper. I'm really excited though. It's Halloween, but you know how it is in book world and retail world. They come out a couple months ahead. But yeah, I mean, this is going to be kind of fun. And I do have a couple other Halloween ones, so I'm really excited to play with this. I may do a full flip through. I may not. I don't want to promise. Okay. Then I got the Cozy Vibes from Coco Wyo. This isn't like brand new, but it has quotes, and I was kind of I am going through a rough time right now, and I thought, well, some cute, adorable quotes could do a girl good. And they're really easy. I don't know if they intentionally wanted the printing so spotty like that. I don't know. It doesn't matter too much to me. But I did notice that there was quite a few pages that way and then others who aren't. So I'm going to err on the side of printing error. But yeah, these are really cute. And just fun. It's all going to be okay. Oh, I don't know. I just thought it was really adorable. So I thought, why not? Okay, then we have the Little Cuddles Cute and Comfy coloring book from Coco Wyo. I saw this on another channel and I was like, wow, this is really adorable. Now this one has the old Create Space paper. So this is before they switched over to Random House and upgraded their paper. But they're still really cute. Really cute. And I'll leave links in the description below to these books because I do color alongs on my silent coloring channel, but I also do tutorials. Like for example, this one I'm working on my silent coloring channel. Oh wow, I'm almost done. Didn't know I got so far. But usually I will do like a tutorial or two on this channel. I just haven't gotten around to actually publishing them. Okay, these are not on Amazon. You have to order them through the Coco Wyo website, which is actually through their TikTok shop, whatever. You can get packets of them. I got these. They're mini. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah. So I really wanted to see, because I saw these on Instagram, and well, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Okay, so, oh, this is cool. It's thick, much better printed than Amazon. But look at this. This would be fun just for like quick tutorials. Oh, it's got a bleeder page. I actually like that. Like quick little tutorial. Oh, your mood tracker, that's adorable. Yeah, so this would be really good for like shading tutorials and stuff. They're tiny, sure, but you could use a bullet nib, brush nib. I don't know, it's not as smooth as normal marker paper, but it's not Create Space paper either. So let's do like a quick little flip through. Oh, those are adorable. Okay, and then I got the stress relief one. You can get all four, but like one was patterns, I think, and I have zero desire to do that. Oops, I'm gonna zoom out a little. Okay, so same thing. We'll just kind of do a flip through, but I mean, you can do little backgrounds. Let me know if you'd like to see these on my silent channel. Like, these would be very short color alongs, but they would be really good tutorials, to be honest. In miniature, that might actually make it harder, but and then I can do short tutorials on this channel too, just kind of showing you the cozy coloring style, because it is a style. So yes, I got those cute little guys. They're pretty reasonable in price-ish. I'm gonna say ish. I'm hoping these will come to Amazon soon. I'm actually gonna reach out to them and ask, because they're still pretty pricey considering they're this size, but this is really good paper. So there's that, but I'm leaning towards these will pop up on Amazon eventually. So now whether they'll have the same paper or I don't know, but I got those little guys, these books, and then of course this sent to me by Ohuhu. So it's not too bad of a haul, you know. I am moving and destashing. I was planning on doing a destash video, and then I realized I don't know if I have the brain power to deal with a destash video, but I am listing things on my eBay for sale, so I will leave a link in the description below. If there's things you want to see in my collection that I might be selling, you can head on over there and snatch them up. And then yeah, this Sunday I will be streaming, so you're going to want to tune in for that bad boy, because I will be streaming Inktense. That was what won the vote, so Inktense it is. But yeah, check out my eBay, because I'm selling quite a few of my books and supplies and just things I don't need anymore, so, or can't move. I still need to do my watercolor pencil collection, but you know, a gal's only got so much time. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me for a very quick little haul. Hauls don't have to be huge. They don't have to be small either. Everyone is allowed to spend their money the way they wish. So, thank you, Ohuhu, for sending this. Let me know if you guys would be down for a very long swatch fest of acrylic markers. I would love to know your thoughts on that, because it will take a while. I have a lot, like a lot. Not just from Ohuhu, Artix has sent me quite a few too, so I'm like, oh my gosh. And then if there's any of these books you would like to see a color along, if you would like to see some tutorials in these, oh gosh, I just want to color in these now, actually. But yeah, I would love to know, because it helps me make the content you guys actually want to come back and watch. So, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.